The well project might look finished since we put the roof up, but there's still some more things we have to do. And in this video, we have to put on top, there has to go a piece that is gonna kind of seal it all together. We're gonna also try to make it beautiful. And also we wanna add kind of like an extra beauty touch on the sides around and on the front. Plus, a lot of you were also worried, so we are going to be adding reinforcements. That was kind of planned since, we realized that the roof is kind of jiggling and it kind of needs angles. So we're also going to do that in this video. So let's get started by cutting all the beauty pieces. Why are you making it more complicated than it actually is? What is that?
I think we could have gotten two ladders and
yeah, I could lift.
Oi.
And all of this to just confirm that it is actually 2 meters.
2 meters and 14.
Oh, actually? Okay, good that we did all that mess. It looks really cool. or schablon?
I don't trust it so much. Hoppa.
Yeah, that works. Crocodile. I'm a crocodile. As you can see, we have finished cutting all the beauty pieces, but before we get on and stain them, we have four more woods we need to cut and axe, the ones that will support the roof. So let's do that, since those also have to get stained, and then we're gonna stain them all together. So as you can see, we have our four woods that will support the roof, and David did a really nice job on axing them and making them look old. And the plan is, these ones we're going to do with the more expensive oil, and the same thing on top of this little roofie. The inside we're going to do with a cheaper one, since we want to just protect it and does not need to really look beautiful, even though the other stainer also looks pretty good. So that, and these ones we are thinking to do the brighter stainer to stand out a bit more, not to be everything dark, just have a different tone. So we're gonna go with a brighter one, and worst case, if we really hate it, we could sandpaper it or stain over it, we'll see, but I think we will like it. So let's now get started and stain them all, let them dry and put them on. an hour later, we had our lunch break, and now we're gonna assemble everything. These ones are really nice and dry. This stainer dries really quick. This one takes a bit longer since it has the oil in it, but we're first gonna get started by attaching the braces so everything is nice and sturdy, and then we're gonna get on with the rest of the pieces. And I'm really excited to see how it's all gonna turn out, and I hope that this is not gonna look out of place and it's actually gonna look nice, this stainer, and not regret going with a darker one. So yeah, let's put the braces on.
So as you can see, the roof is all done. Looks a lot better, definitely adds a bit more character to it. And now we are almost finished with the well. It's looking really wonderful. We still have to do the bottom, we have to clean up, and we also have to do the lid. We have to cut it out, we have to stain it, make it also dark and oiled, so it also lasts nice and long and it's protected. And also the lid, we have to add the hole just so we can have that water bucket go in, and mostly so we can check water level in summer. Not like we can actually use the bucket, it's all just for the looks, but in case of emergency the bucket can go down and you can get fresh water from bottom. So in that sense it will be useful just to have it, but it will mostly just be for the look, and it will look quite incredible. I feel like we definitely need a bucket. Might need to make a wood bucket just because I think a metal bucket will just not fit the style. But that's pretty much it with this video. I hope you're enjoying it. Let us know in the comments if you're enjoying this project and if you're looking forward to the next projects, because we are close to finish with this one and we're gonna move on to the next thing real quick. So hope you enjoy. See you in the next one. Bye bye.
It looks absolutely cute. I love it.
Wishing well, huh?
Yeah, it looks so gorgeous.